don't really know what I have planned for this vlog, to be honest. I don't know if I'm leaving the house. I just know that as usual, I'm gonna tidy up. It was really funny because my daughter made a comment yesterday about how we have like the cleanest house out of, I guess, all her friends. And I was like, we may have the tidiest house, but I don't know that it's clean. You know, there really is truly a difference. And I do tidy up all the time, every day, but I don't clean it every day other than a good vacuum. Like my floors in my kitchen haven't been mopped in a couple of weeks, and they're getting disgusting. So I don't know if we'll do that maybe later tonight. Loxy wants to go outside. Don't you, boo? Don't you, boo? Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up. These are clean. Eventually, I'm actually going to rearrange this entire kitchen and reorganize it. It's gonna look really nice when we're done. I made some cookies last night. This trash needs to go out. And I usually cook with these pretty often, so they kind of go in here. I don't know if that's good or not, but that's what I do. And then we will put this in the sink. This needs to go to the laundry, and then I throw all my clothes out there. And as usual, I'm picking up dog toys everywhere. But I don't mind. I mean, it's her toys. She can play with them, obviously. It's what I bought them for. We're gonna fold this. I need new pillows on this couch. I really do. But I also hate this couch. Completely regret buying it. Just horrible. But how was I supposed to know? And we're gonna turn this on. I don't leave this on for very long, less than an hour, unless I forget, but it does really brighten up the kitchen. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, just these pillows are not really working out. The white ones don't really keep their form. I guess that's why they were so cheap Tuesday morning. But it's the best I can do for now. So eventually when I move, I don't really know what I'm doing with this furniture. I know the upstairs game room furniture I'm getting rid of, and it's not moving with me. This furniture is not gonna be like my living room furniture. It has been a nightmare with Loxy's hair. It gets so disgustingly dirty so fast from her. So I need to find a different solution of something that I can easily wash or scrub. The rubber thing that I got, it's not big enough. Maybe I need to find some sort of hand mitt, but even then it's really still hard to use that. It does work, but it takes a lot of like elbow grease. And not that I'm not willing to put in some work, but it's just, the hair comes right back the next day. You know what I mean? If that elbow grease lasted like, I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it would be worth it. But all of that sweat, I mean, my heart races when I'm done cleaning this freaking thing. Like, I don't know. So yeah, it's a problem. Anyway, I vacuumed last night. That I'm still gonna run a vacuum again later today, because I'm telling you, you don't know how much hair comes off of your pet until you've lived in a house with dark hardwood floors, and then you truly know. A house like this with white tile and carpet is almost impossible to tell how much your animal sheds. It's only again until you have dark wood floors that you truly honestly know. And I could not believe the amount of hair I cleaned up and swept and vacuumed in my last house that had hardwood floors. I literally swept up enough hair to make another dog. It was absolutely nuts. And it's crazy because her breed says that they don't really shed. So I don't know, maybe I need to brush her more often, but whatever. I vacuumed in here, I vacuumed in there, but again, I'm gonna take the vacuum in again. These are library books that I checked out. These pens need to go back in my craft room, which doesn't look so horrible right now. I have laundry everywhere. We'll just slide this back in its place. We had some really cool stuff in here. I really liked. This is like a furniture projects. I really love that green. This is like a cottage style. I wanted to get inspiration for my bedroom makeover. And this is a French home because I'm doing like a French country. But this French is very not my style. There were certain elements I liked, but yeah, so I think my room's gonna be like a blend of things. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this here for the library. And now I am going to do my makeup and my hair. I am going to film a Dollar Tree haul today. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't think I really wanna film that part, so I'll just see you guys after I am transformed. And I'm done putting on my makeup. I actually parted my hair this direction today. I typically will part it the opposite way, but we went this direction and pretty much wearing all the same things that I wear from a makeup standpoint. I'm wearing Luminoso blush, I'm wearing my Coral Bliss, and I'm wearing my peach palette, Too Faced peach palette on my eyes. And look at these earrings. I got these from Sam Moons. Love them, really fun. Kind of very different than what you're used to seeing me as. But I'm gonna go ahead and film my Dollar Tree haul so that I can get it up on Monday. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. And then, oh, I also filmed my planner video. I just need to get like the overhead shot. I need to get my thumbnail pic, and then I'm gonna edit that today and get it up on this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna come in here, grab my tripod, and then I'll be back. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna vlog today, obviously. I haven't been vlogging as consistently, I guess, as I did in December, but yeah, so I'm not really sure everything that's gonna happen today, except other than I need to go to Walmart. I want to film a shop with me at Walmart from like a planner perspective, and I need to get a couple things as well. So I need to get like air filters, some spray paint, I need to get Kleenex. So just like a couple of like, you know, just things that I need for the house. And as much as I hate to report this, but I'm still like not well. I think that a couple weeks ago I had a really bad cold. I don't think it was the flu, just because whenever I have the flu, it's pretty bad. Like my back hurts, everything just feels super horrible. And I wasn't quite in that like state when I was just kind of bedridden for a couple of days. I think it was just a really severe cold, which, you know, can sometimes just be just not as bad as a flu, but doesn't mean that you can't be like wiped out in bed. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, symptoms were just different, and I just don't think I had the flu. I think I had a severe cold, so I'm gonna stop repeating myself. But I think now I'm having some sort of sinus thing. I'm just draining a lot, and I know that's disgusting, but if you listen to some of my voiceovers on my main channel, you can kind of tell, because I do this thing where I swallow, and the, what do you call it, the microphone is so good you can hear like everything. It just doesn't sound cute, but I can't help it, because like the post-nasal drip that's happening right now is so intense, which is something that I struggle with anyway, regardless if I'm sick or not. And I'm pretty positive it's because of Texas and the allergies here. Whenever I go to Florida, I mean, the weeks that I'm in Florida, I've never been better. I don't cough, I don't sniffle, I don't feel any of this draining in the back of my throat, probably because the air is not dry there. So anyway, all right, enough of this sick talk intro. I am still kind of in my robe and in my pajamas. I'm just getting the top half of me ready. It is going to be a hat day, so I've got my hair up, I've got my favorite earrings on. I do want to go to Sam Moon's. I want to buy more hoops. I feel like the hoops I have, which I'll show you, they're very beautiful, but sometimes I want like some understated. So here's my earring collection, and you're like, girl, I never see you wear any of this. Yeah, you're right, you kind of don't. So these are these are really fun. I've worn these a couple times. These are just plain gold, but I don't know if you can tell, but they're obviously cheap and they're not real. So it's just, the color is just going away. Yeah, so I just want some like regular hoops. Now these are about as simple as possible, but they're silver, and I don't wear silver that often. What? Option? I don't wear silver that often. So, and that's, okay, these, I have these black ones. I honestly don't know why I have these. I think it's time to go back through here and get rid of stuff. And then I have these. These are not too bad, but they actually weigh a lot on my ears, so I don't wear these that often, and I don't think that they're like hat friendly for me. The goal is to kind of get some hoop earrings that I think will be really cute with some of my hats. So yeah, anyway, it's pretty much what I got going on. All right, this was the best that I could do. So I threw on this hat finally, which I'm really excited about. It's a little too big for me, but I had to wear it with like a braid, because if I wore my hair up, it just looked weird because it was like covering up so much of my ear. But yeah, of course I changed my earrings just because the gold didn't look good with the gray and the black. So I have pearls. I mean, I do the same thing over and over, but I don't know, I guess if I'm okay with it, that's all that matters. And this oversized sweater, I usually actually wear like an undershirt with it, but yeah, not today. And then these black jeans and black Converse. I really just didn't know how I wanted to look today, and I kind of didn't want to put too much effort because I don't care. And I did a little bit of makeup. I did no concealer, just powder. I did some bronzing. I did some blush and some lipstick, but I have no eyeshadow on, no mascara on, nothing. And I'm not gonna put any of that on because I feel like I'm gonna be rubbing my eyes. So I don't wanna like rub all that product off. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and head off to Walmart. I think though the clips I'm gonna film are gonna be for my main channel, but maybe I'll do some of the clips, I don't really know. We'll see.